To make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC free tutorial. Drag your audio or video file onto the Adobe Premiere Pro CC timeline below. Zoom in onto your timeline and then select the video by highlighting the video clip or the audio piece. And then under the effects control panel on the top left hand screen, type in hard limiter and then drag it onto your audio or video file piece. And in this case, we can only drag it onto our audio piece and it will go from color green to color purple, as you see. That's how we know it has been selected on the audio piece. Type in bass in the search bar, drag that onto the audio track as well, and then type in treble and do the same exact thing. Go under to the effects control panel right here and scroll down, and then under the bass preset, we're going to change this to 5 decibels, treble 11 decibels. You can even mess around with these settings again if you like, but I found that this is where the magic works. And then we're going to go under to hard limiter right here, click edit button, and then under the maximum amplitude, move this to -5 or move this to the left, so that when we increase the volume by right clicking and clicking audio gain, let's say by 10 decibels, and this is the before.
Are you ready? How many cases were in the United States when I did my band? How many people had died in the United States?
And this is the after.
Are you ready? How many cases were in the United States when I did my band? How many people had died in the United States?
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.